Austin, I listened to you and Moshery on the radio this morning, and I just knew I had to come in the boutique to give you this little story. You know how I detest taking that powder, that detox and that cleanser.
Yes, I do.
Literally hate it. However, last Monday, I experienced a panic attack. One of my sisters got me so upset. I really wanted to strangle her.
I'm happy you didn't.
I decided to go and read a little passage of my Bible. And after reading, I got up and I realized I was very giddy and dizzy, and I flopped back down in the chair. And I got a little scared. So I attempted to get up again, and I was knocked back down in the seat. I forced myself to get up, and I held on, and I decided I'm going to go to the bathroom, get myself washed, and put my nightgown on. I says, just in case death is coming, it's going to catch me in the bed.
Oh, God. Were you really thinking that?
Because I never had blood pressure this high. I thought I was heading for either a stroke or a heart attack. So I went back in the bathroom. I had my blood pressure machine right there, and I took my blood pressure. And much to my surprise, it was 156 over 120. I said, oh boy.
Why didn't you go to the emergency room, Patricia?
I don't know. I was scared.
You know you made a poor decision.
I made a poor decision, yes. But then I said to myself, I think I have something that I know will bring it down. I went downstairs and I had a small portion of the detox cleanser powder. And upon faith, I said, I'm going to mix this potent potion and drink it. But I know the benefits. It worked because it has worked for me. For 3 years I have taken it, and I have not taken any high blood pressure medication. I'm supposed to use a half a teaspoon, but I didn't follow the instruction. I use a whole full cup.
A full cup?
A full cup and a half. And I looked at it and I said, oh God, you got to help me because I don't want to go to the hospital. So I mixed it up in the water, and it got so thick, and I had to keep adding water because it was just so thick. And sure enough, I had the urge to go to the bathroom.
I'm sure.
And so when I took the blood pressure about an hour later, it went down to 120 over 90. I went to bed
That was
Monday
good.
night.
That was good.
Tuesday morning, when I took the pressure, it went down to 115 to 76. And I have not had a problem with the blood pressure since. That was April the 30th.
You're going to promise me that if you feel any kind of giddiness again, you're going to head to an emergency room.
Oh, yes.
You promised me that.
Oh, yes.
I'm recording this.
Yeah, I'm a tough goat. I was determined I was going to get myself cleaned out.